Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can withdraw money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Now, in order to withdraw your money from Prizepicks to Cash App, first you will need to have a Cash card or a Cash App card. You can get a card like this from within the app itself. You will just download Cash App, you may already have it, and you need to order a Cash App card. Now this is going to be a debit card, and you can use this debit card, Cash App card, on Prizepicks. So you need to deposit money on Prizepicks using your Cash App card, and once you have used your Cash card on Prizepicks, then you can withdraw your money from Prizepicks to your Cash App card because you have used it as a payment method. And it's essentially how it works. It's very simple. You use it like a normal debit card to deposit money into Prizepicks, and then you can withdraw your money from Prizepicks to Cash App. Hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.